Hello lovelies, my name's Nikima and we are SpainHomes. I am in today La Finca Golf, an 18-hole, 72 par and wonderful golf community right here in the municipality of Algorfa, which is located in the province of Alicante in the southern part of the region in Spain. Here we are in the Vega Baja area and it is, as you can see, gorgeous weather. And today I'm going to be showing you a beautiful villa. This is the Aruba model. It is on a plot of 475 square meters and the villa itself is 147 square meters. It offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and is distributed on 2 floors, giving you awesome, fantastic panoramic views of the golf course. This home is truly a marvel, offering you luxury and also comfort. So let's begin the tour. As you come in off the street level through the pedestrian entrance, you're immediately met with a very warm, relaxing and inviting front garden. The plot actually does surround the home, but they have spared no detail with the actual garden spaces as they adorned it with local and exotic plants and trees. It gives you a very inviting entry, and as you can see there is a really nice pathway that leads easily to your front door. But before we explore the interior, I'm going to show you around the actual outdoor living spaces for the home. So the gardens itself, they've actually landscaped with natural grass lawn, which I think is a really lovely, soft touch in terms of the actual garden spaces. And they have really thought about the layout and the design so that all areas of the terraces are used for the family to enjoy the warm Mediterranean climate that we experience here all year round. And so what we've got here to this side of the actual terrace as we enter is an outdoor barbecue kitchen area. This has actually got a space that has installed with it your PowerPoints, a space for you doing your cooking, and also for you to be able to enjoy that side of entertainment al fresco. What you will find as well is that the terraces lead really nicely to the main outdoor living area for the family to enjoy. As you pass the architectural design of the home, you'll see that they've incorporated natural stone and other elements local to the area, trying to ensure that the home also remains sustainable as and where possible. But I'm now going to take you to where is the main outdoor living space for the family to be able to dine, lounge, entertain, swim, relax, take a cocktail, whatever they feel like. And what's really wonderful is that it's a very spacious terrace. It gives you a lovely roofed space here that is an extension of your interior living areas with doors that open up completely and also enable you to access the terrace. This would be perfect for lounging and or dining, as I can really enjoy the backdrop and the splendour of the golf course whilst we do so. But then you also have an ample amount of space for sun lounging too. Overlooking an infinity pool that is 8 by 4 metres, you also have this really picturesque backdrop, which I just can't stop looking at, to be honest. It's very peaceful and very tranquil watching these golfing enthusiasts have a lovely pitch and a putt. In the actual swimming pool itself, you'll find it has a feature that gives you your fountain jacuzzi area, lovely slop steps that then lead into the swimming pool, and also great space there for you to be able to do your lengths. On one side, they've also included an outdoor shower for the comfort of the swimmers. So now I'm going to go into what is also a great spot for entertaining. Imagine it's late at night, you're with your besties, you're about to have a cocktail, all whilst having a look at the beautiful picturesque view that we have right here. They've even included this really nice chill out, which I absolutely love. And so from the chill out also, what I'm going to do is going to now show you the other side of the terrace where you'll have your outdoor shower. A little continuation of your gardens here as well, which have been adorned with large trees. And also you have an access point here that enables you to have a stair that leads to the lower basement. This is where you'll find additional rooms for the family, but it's fantastic as well because it gives you great functionality between both spaces. Hello. So as you come in through the front door entrance, you're coming through a very wide, tall and robust front door into what is a warm, inviting, rich toned and relaxing contemporary living space. It comprises of your open plan living room, dining room and kitchen. Throughout the actual home, the ceiling height is 2.8 metres, but actually in this living area, the ceiling height is 4 metres. What I really like as well is that you also have a space of over 65 square metres to enjoy living your day-to-day life in the heart of your home. Where I'm stood right now is the main area of the living room. You can see that it has been beautifully interior designed and has great specifications for day-to-day comforts. Here you can see that it has plenty of space for a very large sofa. You also have overlooking it a great place as well for storage and also for putting your television. All the while, the specifications are great in the sense that you have hidden LED lighting, air filtration, keeping things lovely and fresh in here. And you also have Technow doors and windows that enable you access to the terraces and also giving you spellbinding views of the natural landscape. Taking you from the living room, I'm now taking you to the dining space, which has been designed to be like a culinary dining space combined with the kitchen. And here you have a dining space that is set to dine 6. It does still overlook doors that again lead to the terraces, which is really nice and gives you that seamless balance right here of your actual kitchen. This is a very contemporary kitchen, giving you another dark and more rich tone with the actual effects that they've gone for. I actually find it quite soothing, but nevertheless, it still has plenty of functionality. Within your central island, you have your kitchen sink. You also have the dishwasher. All of the appliances are included and are Siemens. You have your electric hob with your overhead extractor, more cabinetry underneath on both sides. And then on this side, you have a continuation of your cabinets, including your oven and your microwave. On this side is a hidden. You also have your refrigerator and your freezer. And I love the fact that if you're a cooking enthusiast, there's plenty of cabinetry that you can continue to use, as it also continues on this side, giving you as well additional power points. Should you choose to have a television in your kitchen, you can. What I love about it as well is giving you the central piece of the home. Rather than being it next to the door, you also have some of your systems right here near your kitchen. So you have your air conditioning system, which is hot and cold. You also have the underfloor heating system, which runs throughout, and you have your video intercom. So now I'm going to take you into what would be the bedrooms of the home. As it is distributed on one floor, you'll find it gives you great ease. Going into the first bedroom, this bedroom, they have decided to use it as an additional living room area. But this could be, again, a great bedroom or an office space for somebody. It is 11 square meters. On one side, you do have integrated wardrobes, and then on the other side, you have patio doors that lead out onto the terrace. Taking you from bedroom number 1, I'm now going to show you the guest bathroom. This guest bathroom is shared by the 2 bedrooms on this side of the home for functionality. They are light and very warm and relaxing and fully equipped. Taking you now into the second bedroom, and the second bedroom has a similar feel. Facing the front part of the property, you do get your patio doors that give you access, but you also get your wardrobes too. This room is 13 square meters. So taking you out of the second bedroom, I'm now going back into the entry hall and back through the open living, dining and kitchen area over the way to where I'll now show you the primary suite. The primary has got a touch of those gorgeous rich tones that I was talking about in full effect. Here you have a space that is altogether 22 square meters, maintaining the ceiling height of 2.8 meters. What I love about the primary is that you have great zones that you can incorporate all as one, or you can separate off. You have your patio doors that lead out onto the terrace and also give you views of the swimming pool. But then on the other side, you also have this really fantastic door that you can actually have either open or closed. But either way, you have a fully equipped dressing room giving you open cabinetry and also close that is well illuminated and leads really seamlessly onto your ensuite bathroom. The ensuite bathroom in this one, they have given a dark feel with the marble that they have chosen, but it again is fully equipped and also very light illuminating. As they come into the actual grounds of the Finca Golf, the actual facilities and services it has on site, they have really spared no detail in making sure that it's welcome and inviting for not only the residents but also for golf enthusiasts that want to come and enjoy the services. Even in this very spot, you have great access to restaurants, the actual clubhouse, exquisite views and also access to the golf course. But then also within it, you have more cafes, you have a spa, an on-site gym, and you even have a bodega. If you're wanting to pick and to source your local wine, you can also do it right here in this very location. Coming down the stairs to the basement floor, and this floor is quite impressive. If you didn't feel that the main living area was giving you enough, then down here definitely will. Altogether, it is actually 196 square meters of space that can be used that incorporates not only your basement but also your garage. As the garage is a separate 75 square meters, you do still have ample space with a ceiling height of 2.8 meters maintained. What's lovely about the basement is it's finished. However, it can be adapted to the needs of the actual family itself. You could have additional bedrooms down here, additional bathrooms down here. You could have recreational space, an office space, a living area, an additional kitchen, or even have it for as a self-contained apartment for, let's say, a family member. What I love about it is that you do have the light, the natural sunlight bouncing off all of the walls because you have little terraces pocketed in various places, illuminating it with that sunshine. And also access to them as well. And so as I'm taking you back over this way, so you get a real sense of the space and let your ideas brim through, I'm now also going to take you to where you would find the garage. It's taking you over the way past various storage room areas and also places that could be used for other things that you may need. Let's say, for example, a laundry room. You are now coming into the garage. This garage is 75 square meters, giving you ample parking space for multiple vehicles. What I like about it is that you also have your automatic gates. And I'm just going to take you over the way actually so that you get to also see the entry point that the residents get to enjoy. So all of the residents that actually are within this urbanisation on this area of the actual golf course get to enjoy their own entry point for their vehicles. It gives you a nice gentle slope leading up, it's well illuminated, and everybody has their automatic doors, enabling them access to their garage very easily. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is €600 per year, the community fee is €50 per month, and the refuse is €180 per year. As you can see, this is a fantastic family home. It is great if you're wanting everything on one floor, but it also gives you the additional multi-purpose space that you have in the basement too. The specifications are really high for modern day comfort and luxury day to day, and you have spellbinding views and just this lovely serenity and peace in the location right here in La Finca Golf. The actual golf course itself offers quite a lot as well for the residents. You have obviously plenty of green zones to enjoy, but you have an on-site spa, gymnasium, shops, cafes, restaurants and clubs to be able to be a part of. What is really wonderful as well is it has great proximity, the actual golf course, to lots of other points of interest. If you like beaches, Guadalmar de Segura and the beaches of this region are just within 15 minutes drive. And if you like to travel, Alicante Altea Airport is just 30 to 35 minutes in the car. So if you do like the listing, you'd like to know more, then please do contact us via SpainHomes.estate. My name's Nikima. I was happy to see you again, as always. This particular, in terms of urbanisation, I have to say, is quite refreshing in the sense that it offers you different models and it also offers you different types of perspectives of what is relaxing lifestyle. So, as I said, please don't be afraid to get in touch and I will see you soon. Hasta pronto!